No, don't go over. And that looks really good. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My steering wheel is really askew. But anyway, I'm on my way to Century City. There's a V.A.G meet happening over there. It's been a while. I really need to straighten this. This is bothering me. It's probably going to bother you as well, but I digress. I'm on my way to a meet. I'm late. I spent about 4 hours cleaning the car. It was at the workshop for over 2 months, so it is dirty. It's looking half decent now. I think this is enough road. No, don't go over. My fingers just pull still. Look at that. What on earth? I was holding on too tight. Calm down. Oh, still indicating. So if you haven't watched my previous videos, the car is making 223 kilowatts and I'd say 340 newtons. I could be wrong. I don't get too caught up in the newtons as long as it's safe. The engine is stock, so we don't want to push it too much. This is just such a different sound. Like, I miss the sound of throttle bodies. I mean, the speed difference is just like unreal. I'll do a second gear pull, just go over. Gets quite wild. Heel toe anymore. Jamil adjusted the pedal. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this thing is, oh man, yeah. I mean, the sound of throttle bodies, and then there's that flip. It is it's actually a laugh, you know. Why do I feel like I'm not getting to the right place? It's the homies. Successful trip. Car is at 94 degrees. This thing, what's weird is it's got, I don't think this car has a SIM card in it, but the GPS is working and it's actually giving me accurate speed. So even though I've blocked that off, this thing has been doing speedo things. So the guys have been looking forward to actually seeing the car. So yeah, I had to spend the time getting the car clean, so because I knew they were going to inspect it, and it's looking decent. It's looking decent. So I just want to do a quick walk around of the cars that are here. I haven't seen this caddy before, and obviously Imola's for the win, or Imola depending on how you want to say it. But that does look good. Nice color. And Andrew over there with Jazz doing the work. I told him to come with a VW because his sister has one, but I think she's using it, so Jazz it is. Matthew's Mark 5 looking very clean. Yes, wow. This is a TDI, it's not a GTI, but yeah, it looks money. Jamil's Polo. Samir's Mark 1. Always a treat seeing this car out. It's like so hard to find clean Mark 1s these days, so yeah, really nice. It's been a while since I've seen this car. Oh, that is looking so good. Rainbows in front. Warren G just doing the good stuff. Nearly clean Sirocco. Tudor Mark 6. This is Shabba Mag's car. He changed the wheels he had. What's those the Audi Speedlines? So he had a set of those on. But weirdly enough, I like it more like this. It looks really good. It looks cleaner, weirdly enough. So this is like a white pearl. I mean the reflection, but it's like a white pearl color. It's quite cool. I saw this Mark 5 the other day. I really want a set of tarmacs for the wagon. Like, I think it would look so good, the silver on silver. But I need to get a set of 18s. And they come around, but yeah, they don't come around all that often in 5100. This is Wally's Mark 4. Looking really good. We keep telling him to lower it. It's on BCs, so it should go lower. But I mean, it eases daily, and it looks good. This is Jared's clean VR. Looks a bit high because he's on 195s. We only found out after the fact that the VR needs 205s, but the car is really clean. He bought it not too long ago. He has a 2-door Mark 2. So yeah, the man's got the goods.
I heard the sides when he was coming up.
Look at this guy pulling up here. I didn't even hear him rev.
Jam up quietly.
Okay, so I like this caddy a lot more now. So guys, this is my camera for the day. It is tiny, look at this thing, and it's like the lens retracts. So this will be my point and shoot. I'm testing it out. Let's see what it does. Do I even know how to use it? GTI just pulled up. You would say that we stance guys out here, but you know, VW guys like to be low. Oh man, that looks really good. Like, he always has such nice wheels on his car, and it's got a really neat boot install as well. In my previous V.A.G meet video, you will see this car. I actually can't remember what wheels he had on, but yeah, always a winner. Mark 1 boys pulling up. All the braps. Mr. Pops and Bangs. I'm just rolling out quickly. I want Matthew to take the car for a spin. Like, we've been talking about this for a while and I kept him up to date. So I want him just to, you know, just experience it. I think it's a swap he might want to do as well. So I think this will be the cherry. You are in second, so
Yeah.
you should be able to just, once you straight hammer it, it's gonna pull you left. So kind of go center before you.
Whoa! What a joke! No ways! No ways! I'm so happy I'm winning a mask. Otherwise, you'll see my whole face again. This is third now.
Yes.
No ways.
It's strong, eh? You do a third pull. Where? You're not gonna get to him. The craziest thing is like it just feels like it's just pulling.
Ending power. Oh wow. But the gear ratios actually feel like long.
Yeah, they are actually quite long. I thought it would be shorter.
Like, but then again, we also like used to like that diesel like change.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's lovely. That's lovely. Honestly. Put it first. But if you drive it like that, it doesn't even, there's nothing.
Yeah, it's NA.
Oh, this thing is perfect, honestly. Like, it's just the perfect everything.
Yes. Like that's what I'm feeling.
Like, that's lovely. Oh, you know what I'm doing with my foot? I'm not even putting it flat. I'm just rolling it on. Oh. Oh. Ah.
Brave man taking turns on the power.
Yeah, this thing is too strong for that, honestly. That is it.
Yeah, that's
Yes, rolling, spin that is it. I love it. I'm sold. I'm sold. I'm going around. And then I'm gonna go back that way. Okay.
okay. Or do you want to do a first ball?
I don't know. Like, yes, and I just don't want to stop driving. Does it do that all the time, that little pop?
No, it shouldn't really.
I love this thing, seriously. I'm sold on it. Like, this is the best. I need to go to turbo. I have to go
This
turbo.
is the business.
This is the life.
So yeah, just a quick catch up with Matt. He loved it. I love it. Oh, this car it's not perfect. I cleaned it up today. It's rough. I mean, the video might not show it off all that well, but it is a rough car, but it is so good. But yeah, that's the reason for the sticker. It is so much fun. So much fun. Guys, we are rolling out. When I say we, I mean me, because that's just me. I'm really low on fuel. Really low on fuel. So I need to take it easy. Yeah, this was just a chilled video, sort of just experiencing the car. I hope that the video kind of does it justice. Well, you can't experience speed that well, but yeah, she is, whoops. She's quick. I just, you know, it's just going to take some getting used to all the new things. Like, you know, when you drive a car with a different clutch that you need to get used to. That's going to take some time. So I'll be using the car for this week, just to make sure that there's no real gremlins, nothing that's out of place, and just sort of feedback to the guys. Andrew didn't look at the cold start map, but we noticed that there's still some smoke, and I think it is the valve stems. I mean, the engine has been standing for a really long time, so it's kind of expected, you know. So we have some liqui moly in here that sort of softens it up. Hopefully it does. Hopefully it does soften it up, and that we get it sorted out. But the alternative is Jamil just replacing the valve stems. I'm just gonna do a third gear pull. Wow. The purpose of this week, having the car and just making sure that it's all good. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.